So I already have VS Code installed. So to begin coding in Java, I'll just go to the option of install the coding pack for Java. Then I can install it for our VS Code. So let me just click it to install it for Windows. So I will wait for it to download, then I can install it. So remember, you just come to Visual Studio Code download website. You navigate to Docs. You will come for Java. Then from there you can download Java for Windows. So I've been downloading the Java. I will just install it. Done. So accept terms of condition here. So install. So you will install the JDK Java Development Kit, and Visual Studio is already installed. So yeah, so that first download then install. So I will just leave this one checked so that I can launch VS Code when I'm done. So finish. So let me just create a new folder in my desktop. New folder. Call it Hello Java. Yeah, so from my Visual Studio Code, let me open the folder in my desktop. Hello Java. So let me open my command cmd to check if Java is installed. So let me check the version. Java version. And you can see it's already installed, even the JDK. So we'll just close it. Then Control Shift P, and I will create Java project. If you just type Java create, you'll get it on the drop down. So Java create project, no build tools. So inside our folder, our Java project has been created. So inside source, you can see over here. So I can run it by clicking over here. And you can see the display hello world. So thank you for watching. You can subscribe, like and share so that you can get similar tutorials. Thank you.